Okay, we made it. This was a really, really tight call. But I'm excited to bring you a video today on Delta's more elevated economy that they just started a few months ago for international flights. So give you a quick look around and show you guys the experiences. Now remember, if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down there. I provide lots of travel and lifestyle content and would love to take you along the journey. Alright, let's watch. Yes, please. One of these headphones. Alright, let's take a peek at this.
Avec leur ceinture bien attachée, en formant tout appareil électronique de maintien en mode en ligne. La durée de notre vol de ce soir sera de 6 heures.
I might be watching Frozen 2. So this is a new feature. Thank you. Alright, alright, thank you. Alright, we have a welcome cocktail, appetizer, entree, mains, dessert, light bites. The cinnamon roll, we come close to landing. And there's the new schedule. So you also get a tablecloth and silverware kit. I almost forgot the important component, which is the beverages. Yes, please. Thank you. Chicken marsala with Newton. Got our sodas, we got shots of Bailey's over here. We're about an hour out from Paris. So they turned the cabin lights back on. Kind of just getting all your stuff together, and they're going to serve you that cinnamon roll that before you land little treat. So that's I'm a little tired. I got about 2.5 hours of sleep. So my sciatic's just like, it's been a pretty smooth flight though so far. Here come those cinnamon rolls. Yum yum. I wonder if they're warm. Thank you. Oh my god, you guys. They're totally warm. It's a nice little touch. Have much better pastries during this trip, but it's not bad. I wish there was more cinnamon, but it's good. It's warm. I'm really happy that it's warm. Alright, where are we? Let's take a peeky. Yeah. The touchscreen on this plane, this is one of the older ones, has definitely seen better days. Looks like we're getting ready to go right over the channel. And you get chocolate. And it's not cheap chocolate, it's Toblerone.